Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Aishwarya Goel and I'll really appreciate if you'll take out a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I know we all are stuck at home for almost 2 months now and I really wish कि जल्दी से कोरोना की वैक्सीनेशन मिले and ये लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो. But for now I have another episode of photoshoot ideas. I actually got quite a good response in my first video और लिंक ना डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा और आई बटन पे भी मिल जाएगा. मेक श्योर टू चेक दैट वीडियो आउट एंड इसके एपिसोड्स ना बढ़ते ही रहेंगे जैसे जैसे रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा. सो आई रियली विश कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे एंड या विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो. For the first photoshoot idea, all you need is some dupatta or sari of this type, and for the first look I am doing bohemian or as we say Banjara look. I got lucky with perfect dupatta and sari, of course courtesy my mom's wardrobe. We Indians are famous worldwide कि हमारी लाइफ ना जुगाड़ पे चलती है. Just to clarify, जुगाड़ू life is just another word for DIY. So I took some thick thread and tied on both the ends of my wall and hanged the dupatta and sari like this. And well, that's how I look. Trust me, accessories can just change your look from 50% to 100%. Also, I went a little bold with my makeup. Bold lipstick surely did a magic. Also, for the record, I am clicking pictures on Canon M50 and because it has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, I can easily click pictures through my phone. Just to mention, related props plays immense role while taking pics. So I already had this decorated pot which just made my pictures look more aesthetic. I had this small stool which actually I bought from Banjara market Gurgaon. If you want to watch that video, link description box में मिल जाएगा और I button पे भी. By the way, stool acted as another prop apparently. Trust me, this is very easy and pictures turned out great. Let me show you how they looked. Time to remove this background, and now for the second photoshoot idea. Although I already had black curtain, but even if you don't have, you can use black dupatta or sari. For second look, I wore this popping orange net top which I bought from Shein. And did I mention our prop for this shoot is mirror? So well, that's how I am taking pictures. By the way, for this editing will do a magic. Just wait and watch. Once done, take mirror pictures just the way I am doing, and keep in mind mirror has to be placed in opposite direction just like I did. If you want to know how I edited these pictures, do let me know in the comment section below. And well, here is a final reveal. Moving to the third and last photoshoot idea for this video. If you want background ना same भी रख सकते हो, like simple black background. Okay, so this challenge is trending these days, commonly known as mugshot photo challenge. I do realize I'm not that bad at makeup. By the way, mugshot challenge के लिए I had perfect props like the chain and bull ring, which just brought more detailing to the pictures. I swear I was not sure about uploading this part since I was still unsure if pictures will turn out great or not. But wait, looks like I nailed my version of mugshot. So well, that's how pictures turned out. Make sure to tag me on Instagram if you happen to try any of these photo shoot ideas. And yeah, with this we come to the end of this video. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Do let me know in the comment section below आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, and if you like this video then please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, hit the bell icon to get notified. Share it with your friends, family and all the loved ones. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.